Hello and good afternoon. I hope all of you are given health by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. First of all, I would like to say thank you for watching my video. I really appreciate it. In this video, I'm going to talk about my experience through the university. As far as I study at Jakarta State University, I feel a little bit tired, which there is a lot of assignments that I have to finish it from now. So I have no procrastination until tomorrow. I feel that there is a difference between high school and university, particularly the test. I'm still using the high school mindset, which I think the test will be written test using paper and there are multiple choices and essay. However, university is more different than high school. In university, students must make a project. As an example, students students must make a short video, ebook, journal, and so on. They will be given a deadline, could be 2 or 3 weeks. Those assignments need time. According to me, life in university is busier than high school because we keep learning any materials so we can understand fast during the class. For this result, we don't have to be silent in this class. Google Scholar is my helpful application because I could learn English through the articles. There are formal and difficult English words that I have to take them and find its meaning one by one by making the sentence. As a result, I can understand fast. During the class, I used to take notes every materials that the lecturer delivered. By making the notes, I still have an opportunity to learn and read it. All right, I think that's all from my experience. I would like to say thank you for watching my video once again. I end this video. Thank you and goodbye.